Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant push notifications every time your Facebook page goes live, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to disable live video push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC, using the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access all your pages. Now select the page you want to manage by clicking on its profile photo. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left or at the top, then click on your page's profile photo again to enter the page settings area. Next, find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. A drop-down will appear. Choose Settings from there. Inside the Settings menu, look for Notifications in the sidebar and click on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Facebook. Now, scroll down until you find the video option. Click on it to open the video notification settings. Here's the important part. Look for the setting labeled Push and simply disable it. This will stop Facebook from sending you push notifications whenever your page goes live with a video. And that's it. You've successfully turned off live video push notifications for your Facebook page. No more unwanted pop-ups or interruptions every time you or someone on your team starts a live broadcast. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these same steps and enable the push notifications again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials to make your Facebook experience smoother and distraction-free.